guys, I have a new Pampered Chef Deluxe cooking blender, and I want to show you how easy it is to make a hidden veggie marinara sauce packed with these vegetables that your kids will never know is in there. So this is the Pampered Chef Deluxe cooking blender. The power button is over here on the side. It lifts off very easily like this. Right back on. Lid locks on and off. So I'm going to take the lid off. We're going to put some water in there, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning and some salt, some peeled garlic, cut up carrots, cut up zucchini. And it does have canned chopped tomatoes, but I'm gonna add one fresh tomato also and see how it turns out. We're gonna put the lid back on, lock it, and then to get the, it has a whole bunch of custom settings on it. We're gonna go to heated puree, so you just turn the dial until you get to heated puree. And you press this button. It's just gonna mash up those vegetables. Okay, so this has been going for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, I've boiled my pasta, I cut up a salad. This is just about done. What makes this blender different from others on the market is that this sauce is boiling hot right now. The whole house smells like Italian sauce. This blender actually has a heating element. It doesn't heat the sauce or soup by friction. It actually has a heating element, so when you add soap and water to this, it actually has a heated wash setting. So you're actually washing this with heated hot soapy water. So I'm gonna hit cancel. We're gonna take this lid off, and then we're gonna dump these tomatoes in. How that's gonna go. Okay, we're gonna put this back on. And this will tell you, this won't work. If this lid is not on properly, this won't work. So I accidentally turned this a little bit. We're gonna put it back on. It sings a little song to you. Okay, so that's on tight. This is on. And we're gonna go to custom blend now. Custom blend. We're gonna hit this button. We're gonna go up to level 2, and we're gonna start it for about 30 seconds. And there you have it. I have a homemade healthy dinner in under 30 minutes with this blender.